Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm recording this video as a trading log for the trades that I have did on 22nd of April 2025. So today is the Sensex expiry, and unfortunately I started a bit late around 9:33 in the morning. So as usual, I have kept the screen layout as in the left side of the window. You can see the Sensex chart, and the right side at the top you have the call, and the bottom of the screen you have the put option chart. Okay, for reference. So getting back to the trades. So at around 9:30, I just logged in. Started a bit late as I mentioned earlier, and as you could see, the market tested the CPR initially, and then it bounced up a bit. So my view was okay. It looked like the Sensex was taking support at the CPR level. So I thought, okay, let's enter the put options because if you see, I entered the trade around 9:33 and the Sensex spot was around somewhere close to 79,500 and 800 points away from the spot. I was getting it around somewhere around 33. So it looked like a good premium to me because the put options were skewed at the time. So I thought, okay, just enter the put options for now to get started. And at 9:33, I went with half the size, and then I also later added some more quantities at 9:36 also. So totally I went with 8 lots, like that's the maximum I can do with the capital I have. So I was completely with the put options. And what happened was like at around 9:38, uh, I thought, okay, the market might not go up a bit today. The reason being is like if you look into the call on the put options chart separately, both the options, right? Both the put options and the call options, they were trading very well below the 20 and the 50 moving averages in the 2 minutes time frame. So I use 2 minutes chart for reference, for the option chart for reference for all my intraday trades. So if you look here, it was clearly taking the resistance at 20 moving averages somewhere around 9:35 and 9:36. It was like that. So I thought, okay, well, let's enter a very far out of the money call, and let's try to enjoy the decay today, keeping the 50 moving average as a stop loss to get started. And anyway, I have entered up a put option also, right, at around 33. So the stop loss around 30 will not hurt my MTM a bit. So I thought let's enter 80,500 call options. So that's what I did, and I entered the 80,500 call options, like 50% of the size, and then based on the same thing, right? What I did was around. I also added some more around some of some more 80,600, like further bit OTM, just to enjoy the theta decay. And as expected, the call options did not shoot up, and it was grinding around the VWAP, whereas the put options, like since the market was going higher, so the put options started losing its value, and it came down a bit below 20 at around 10 a.m. in the morning, as soon as it break the day's high. The thing is, you could ask me like I could have rolled the put options, but honestly, if you had a look into the option chain at that time, there was not much of a premium in the out of the money puts. To give an example, if I wanted to roll to 79,200 put, that is like if I come up 400 points, uh, I barely got around 4 rupees. So that does not make much of a sense for me to roll up. Rather, I was just waiting for some price action movement so that I can trade some reversals in the call options. So I was waiting for that, and I actually went. Actually rolled down to 80,000 call sometime around 9:55. If you could see here, 9:55. The thought process is like at around 9:55. Okay, at around 9:55, you could see the testing of the day's high. Where is the time? Yeah. So this is, yeah, this one, right? So it actually tested it and it came down. So I thought the market might come down a bit here. So I started adding 80,000 calls. Actually, I came from 80,000 for 600 to 80,000 just for just the two lots, just to test it out whether my uh, observation would work. And unfortunately, it went up and it took my stop loss again. Then I kind of stayed around 80,500 for some time. Okay, and then I tried adding some calls, rolled down the calls here, and I got stopped out again here. But the good thing is like it was OTMs, and I was just losing like 1 or 2 points, not more than that. And then finally, at around 11 a.m., I saw this good reversal in 5 minutes. If I keep 5 minutes, I think that would give a better picture. So if you see here at around 11 a.m., the price action was giving a hint that you could see a reversal here. The market was finding it tough to go up, so I thought, okay, why not? Let's bring down the calls. So I roll down the calls to 80,300 and 200, like around 11 a.m. and 11:10, and that's it. So after that, I did not even touch the options. So because I had a good premium, and my generally I just tend to make anything between 7,000 to 10,000 during the expiry days, but considering the premiums that were available today, wherein the option prices are a bit skewed because when the markets were trading at 79,600, 80,000 call was somewhere close to 15, whereas 78,800 put was somewhere close to 10. So the 400 points away call options had a much higher premium than the put options. So I thought, okay, why to take unwanted risk? And I just left all the options to expire, and I enjoyed a good profit of around 8K just by simply holding on to my positions. And being an safe trader, I thought, okay, this is a good premium, good MTM for me, and I just ended up in profit. So hope you all had a fantastic expiry day. See you all again soon in the next video. Thank you.